Kia Corporation is poised to expand its electric vehicle lineup with the introduction of the EV3, a new compact SUV designed to make sustainable mobility more accessible. The EV3, showcasing a bold and futuristic design, features distinct geometric lines and the brand's signature star map lighting, embodying Kia's Opposites United design philosophy. Set for a global reveal on May 23rd via live stream on the Kia Worldwide YouTube channel, the EV3 draws design inspiration from the acclaimed EV9. Although it shares aesthetic elements with Kia's larger models, the EV3 carves out its own identity with a unique, robust exterior tailored to the compact SUV segment. The EV3 is expected to be equipped with a 400-volt electrical architecture, differentiating it from the higher voltage systems of its larger siblings, and is aimed at offering a balance of efficiency and performance suitable for its class. This setup suggests more moderate charging speeds compared to the ultra-fast capabilities seen in some current models. In terms of production, there's potential for the EV3 to be assembled at Kia's plant in Monterrey, Mexico, which would make it eligible for significant tax credits in the United States, enhancing its affordability. With a starting price potentially as low as $24,500 after federal incentives, the EV3 is poised to be a competitive entry in the burgeoning electric vehicle market.